All right, welcome back. Now we'll talk about this particular Nigerian American for Insao Obodo Yibo Samuel
Agubiade.
Yes, Agubiade. Yes. Sorry, not verse, I beg.
He's a Bini proper.
Not verse.
And this man,
yeah, sorry, not verse. And this man actually saved a lot of children for inside the bus when they drive them to school when fire be start for the bus. So I asked Kuna this afternoon. Now, if fire happen for a house and your mama, your papa, and your spouse they stuck inside the room, who you go save and why? We be talking our husband and she go save. Amaka, Eric talking now your wife now you go save.
Amaka say when she come back she go talk. Yeah. Because this question is supposed to be my cocoa of the day. I know just understand why we decide to carry and do a question where I go need to answer.
Sorry,
no verse is a Monday.
It's a Monday. I know the verse on Mondays. Yeah. So, anyways, long story short, my husband I know that's how this kind of story said. Sharply, my mama no go verse. Why? God for a battle. I can't save my mama. As I bring her come out, the next day she die. Say she don't old.
So, but why we feel say the young people too know they die? But
no, also that
I just think young people
that
too
one they possible.
Not get and with the man fit tomorrow see another woman marry.
You know it is. But normally, even me too. I go actually pick one person, I will pick my husband. But we don't ever think say there is never a one way for you to achieve anything. We don't think to that aspect. Now, what if this bus driver gets just the chance, and the children, very plenty inside the bus.
Of course,
we get just the chance to save just 2, but he decide to dedicate in time to save all of them. What if, we even think at all say, what if I try other means to save all of them?
Your question
so that's
I know that's your question.
That's why you go there guilty. You go there guilty if you get chance to save one and you dey look for chance to save all and you lose all.
Yes,
but at least you try.
Your question.
No, you not get me. You not get me.
Oh, we sorry. Your question now. You fire day. Your spouse day there.
And you get chance to save one person.
Only one person.
Now you don't ask that chance to save one person. What if because say you day weak to go save person and now the only one person now you feel actually carry out? I'm just saying, like when I even talk my own, I say like me, I go save my spouse. But we don't ever reason and say, what if other means there for me to save all of them?
The question
now you understand.
Then you go save this.
You will come try.
Yeah,
that one now try.
Yeah.
So that one now, you see, like most, nobody they go, any soldier they go battlefield, do they think to die.
Yeah.
He don't lose the war already.
Yeah.
He go die there.
Yeah.
You understand? No general go to battlefield and think of losing the war. So the two day, you go first save, as your question, you go first save that one person first. Then you can't go back, try to save the 2.
Okay, that's what I'm saying. Why we not reason on our answer to say, yes, I will save my wife, but I will come back to try to save others. It's just because people feel say to achieve success not just one way.
No, be one way.
Yeah, not just one way.
Now your question I make. Now your question. Your question is say only one person. No, not twist
See, this woman they work for. She they work for jam. She they work for jam. When they give you question A, they'll come give you A, B, C. Then C, they'll come give you A and 2.
All right, let's move up of that particular one. But you too, let us know your own for insider. Enter Twitter at @TokTokWazobia or Facebook @TokTok-Wazobia. Now the last story for today will be the trend concerning this mother where you want to marry her own Peking boyfriend. Now they say when Mary Summer tied the knot next year, her own daughter, where she's still the boy from, no go actually date there because her daughter Danny thought she not fit bring herself to watch her mom marry her ex-boyfriend, will be Anthony K, where the mom actually steal from her. Now she be the date this boyfriend, but the mom at the end of the day still her boyfriend from her own daughter. Now in her own words, she talks say, I won't be going to the wedding because it go dey awkward for both of us. I can't forget what happened, but I don't forgive my mama and I did very happy for her. This affair so where she get with my boyfriend actually break my heart and it actually affect us very, very much. But I don't learn the true meaning of the saying, blood is thicker than water.
So now the mother and I wear red. So.
Yes, and the girl the other one. But now the girl don't actually find someone else. But still, she talks that she don't forgive her mama, but she not fit attend the wedding. Now I want to ask you, if this now you go forgive your mama?
No.
I know go forgive.
I don't need to think about her. No point.
Me, I'll forgive you.
Because it's forbidden at first.
Me, I'll forgive.
Your papa steal your wife.
I'll forgive.
Wow.
And you go to the house eat one.
No.
I'll
Wait,
forgive.
This it come from your mind. No be say we just
From my
talk am.
mind.
You go actually forgive.
Yes, now. Because now, I get reason why I'll forgive.
Okay,
sometimes, you see, this life, me, I dey look life from another perspective. Say, man, they be an edge to another man, to another people to meet.
Yeah.
Yeah, it can be said they two they destined to marry. So no need for me to. The best thing I will do now myself I go the key. If I no forgive, if I no let go, if I forgive means that woman no be my wife. You understand? Because it's not good to marry another person's wife. Because my own, then nobody go fit take her from my hand. Even though na garri with the drink, go deal with me. So for my mind to be clean between God and man, I will forgive.
You know the saying when they talk say you never know until you fit into the shoes.
Yes,
Until your leg enter the shoe.
Yeah. You're not gonna know whether you forgive.
Like,
now.
I'll fit to forgive.
And even when I say no, I will not go forgive. But yes, I'll still come to terms. I'll forgive.
Yes.
But I don't go feel forget her.
You know
So now I like
We
what
know
the
the
girl do.
difference.
You know what? Mokuna marry una go there together.
Yeah.
I know they come in a house. I know they come the wedding. Mona live una life.
Yes.
Like what you talk, you say another person, another age for another
One
people
person
to
to
meet.
meet.
I totally agree with that. But still, my mother. No, come on.
No, you don't go forget.
Wait, what you go do?
Hey,
What you go do?
and then,
You go forgive her. Yeah. It already explained. Me, I don't go forgive at all. I don't go forgive. I don't go forget. So
But you not take away the fact say my mother still be my mother.
Yes.
But still,
You don't go change am.
truth be told, me I just dey very honest with myself. I don't know everything I go do, but because of the kind of person I be, I feel say it will take me time to forgive my mama.
Yeah.
I
Of
go
course,
forgive
that's
her,
why they say time
but I don't go
heals.
forgive her like 2 months later. I don't forgive. No, it go take me time. I
You
feel
go
the
heal first.
Yes, I go need to get out of my mind. Say, wait, you actually snatched this guy come up from my
No, but
hand.
then na
You know.
ex.
Hello,
No, they were
she
dating
snatched
before
the
the
guy
mother
come
take
up
am.
from the picking hand.
But this man,
It go hard for me because I go think and say as my mama old, even the man self, my boyfriend, I'll say, wait, what thing you see for my mama? I know reach
No, you
you.
get some women
I know
wey
they
dey-
enough for you.
No, if
you
na
go
the-
follow my own mama.
No, Amaka, if na the old age when you dey talk, no, I say
I
totally
know they
wrong.
talk of
Because
old-
e get some women
You
wey no dey
know
live their
the age I dey talk. I
At
say,
all.
the boy I dey talk of so. I say, I know reach am. I know they enough for am. Na my own mama. You know, if it's another person mama, my own
He
mama.
likes it.
So what you go do
family.
to the boy?
You like family.
Because the boy,
You know, the boy don't get fault though.
now your mama will decide on her own.
Two of them.
No, the boy said
If
get
the boy
fault.
no- see, I
no,
said
why?
the-
But see, if
Can I
you
say
want look
something?
am, if you want look am from most times people like when I dey dump, they read most book about this Indian religion. They talk more on reincarnation. Okay. So I don't read the story. They say people feel be lovers in their former life. Something happen. They know word. They can't lose themselves.
Yeah.
Now they feel come back to this world, come meet. That love will just touch back.
What if now your wife now she starts to sleep with your father
with my
and
dad.
then she can't decide to leave you say now the reincarnation wey you dey talk about
Nah.
you go leave her like that
I go leave am.
you go forgive her
Yes, na because now by right, if I vex too much, I fit commit murder. Then if I no commit murder, say I no keep one of them, I pack comot for that house, I leave them.
okay that is if
If
Yeah,
na
that
is if. so that's a possibility
wait na that dey talk say
Yes.
but if I dey vex too much. But because e go pain me. No, naturally e go
And
pain
nothing
you.
you
now.
fit do.
Human being
Nothing you go
na.
fit do. E go pain me.
I
But
know.
the worst you can do is to just comot for that house for them. Wetin, you no hard me o. Me as I dey like this now, if my wife say become trouble to me for house, I don only tell
to
her
the next
say,
level.
I fit leave this house for you.
now let's talk about based on when you did for the slum because you don't talk am now say you read a lot
You read a lot
of
of
books because
books.
from your words so which time you get to read book
You know say most everything now they come that dump, that truck if it come, but sometimes they dey throw a woman being for bag. Bring you go put
Human
am for
being?
yes now pick
don't
dead
throw
body
away
now.
dead body.
Throw am for site. Motor truck will just carry and come, drop am for dump. So nothing we need to see for dump.
Jeez.
At the same time, we see.
But when they
books.
call people to call the people who supposed to come carry am to come carry.
Loma or Konkara. Loma. So, and we see books. I read many books. You know, say I get my small place where I dey stay for there. If I no go at Jegule, and I buy candle. Every night I go to read. I go now don't there to read great books from Socrates, the classic Greeks, like Nigerian Biafran War, all the people who play part, like Obasanjo, My Command, Alexander Madigbo, the Biafran Revolution, Wole Ademoyega, Why We Stroke, then Ojukwu, Because I'm Involved.
So you actually get time.
Did you get time to sit down with all
because I read a lot.
Okay.
Now like, the reading.
What if they motivate the reading?
No, just to learn. Okay. For example, now I be somebody that my kind of film they go based on all those epic movies where they tell past
stories,
past and war. Then another thing they motivate my story. We make me the read now to find answers because we poor way. My papa poor. Poor, so I define answers. I read Bible a lot. I quote Bible. So and those books where they read, try to know how this man solve this problem. Because most of my friends died as armed robber in Ajegule. So I said no. I always tell them that time say if thief na better thing, therefore they organize the best thief award.
I like that.
Yes, if na better thing.
They give award for killing. So, this man ain't key pass the best terrorist. No, they give. So now good thing the people they appreciate. So now I can't read great books. But most of the books which touch me are those classic Greek, the Greek philosopher Aristotle, Plato, Pythagoras, the way they think, the way they say, and in them they give one of the greatest life where God give every man, the gift of imagination. And when I come across a writing of this man, this great scientist, Albert Einstein, he said imagination is better than education. So, and he said that imagination is the greatest gift God gives to every man. You can lock a man. You can take everything from a man. But you can't take his imagination from him.
I like that.
So I want to ask you this question. Okay. We don't really talk and we don't really get plenty time. Okay. I want to ask, even while you did the slum, you did do all these things for you. You don't ever carry somebody else along while you did the dome?
Yes, now they talk to people now. They carry them along. But you see, this thing a wire. If people mind have been programmed. And the only thing, you have to take a step back and know why your mind has been programmed. Like now, you know, say media, the program people mind to the think one way. Me, I don't know that one. Yeah. So I don't stop. I need to let my mind be programmed by media.
Yeah.
And there's one time for Nigeria now, they'll say, people might say, if you know dress like this, you know they are long. Me, I'll say, nah, lie.
Not like this.
As I like, now I go dress. So that's why I keep telling people, say, do your thing, but always let out your team be positive. When I say
exactly, because you don't already talk and say, carry people, the question she carry people along. When we come back, I still get one kind of question I want to ask you. This my pronounce that the leg go left. So when we come back, I'm going to throw that question, give you.
So they come back.
Oh, see, I need it.
Now, just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.